Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trying to go further down. Okay, as you can see, there is a probability that if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down. And one important thing that I have explained you, that $18.123 is a support, which is a weak support, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further down. And if you look at this chart, what we have seen, this level has not come since long, so there is a higher probability that we can see it can go further down. Move forward. If you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, the first support we can see is at around 18,356, which is also a weak support, and then we can see it can touch a level of $18.216, and if that level also goes down, then we can see it can go and touch a level of $18,003. Okay, and after that, what we can see, it can touch a level of $17.659. Okay, and suppose if the price goes below that particular level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $17.603. Okay, and once the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then a probability of touching, you can say, it can go further down and can touch a level of around $17.220. Okay, once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $16.8 also. Okay, and if that level goes down, we can see it can move further down. Okay, and if this particular level sustain, as of now we can see it is continuously in the downside. Okay, so if this particular level sustain, because there is a less probability that it can sustain, but otherwise if it sustain, we can see it has to go above a level of $18.750. Okay, so if this level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of, you can say, 18.963 if it sustain above this level. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then there is a probability that it can go further high towards a level of $19.050. Okay, and if this particular level sustain, then we can see a probability, because most of the resistance is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see a level of $19.528. Okay, and if that goes upside, there is a higher probability of moving further high towards a level of $20.180, and if that level sustain, then there is a higher probability, we can see it can go towards a level of $20.528, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $20.8, and from there we can see a level $21.3 also. And if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay.